Hey there, Monopoly enthusiast! Trading cards is a key strategy in Monopoly Go that can turn the tide of the game in your favor. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple process of trading cards to maximize your chances of victory. Let's jump right in. Now, step 1, we need to access the album. To initiate a card trade, start by opening the album icon in the game. This is where you'll find all the cards you've collected throughout your gameplay. Step 2 is to select a sticker. Within the album, choose the sticker that represents the card you want to trade. Stickers correspond to specific Monopoly properties and attributes. Step 3 is to choose a friend to trade with. Once you've selected the sticker of the card you want to trade, it's time to choose a friend to trade with. This can be a fellow player who also has Monopoly Go installed and is ready to engage in a trade. Step 4. Initiate the trade. After selecting a friend, you'll have the option to initiate the trade. This sends a trade request to your chosen friend, allowing them to see the card you want to trade and the card you're offering in return. Step 5 is to review and confirm. Your friend will receive the trade request and can review the cards you're offering. If they're interested in the trade, they can accept the offer. If not, they can decline and the trade won't go through. And there you have it. Trading cards in Monopoly Go is a simple yet strategic way to work with your friends and build a winning game plan. Remember that successful trading requires communication and negotiation to ensure that both parties benefit. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Monopoly Go tips and tricks, and hit that notification bell to stay updated. Feel free to drop any questions or comments below. Now go out there and make some epic trades to dominate the Monopoly board.